Welcome back to OnShape. This time we're going to create two parts. Both of these are rectangles that are extruded upwards but at different heights. We're again going to go to Create and Document to create the new part. I'm going to name this one Tall Rectangle. This way I know that the rectangle is the taller one. And click OK. Now again, I'm going to create a sketch similar to our last assignment with the cylinder in the top plane. So I'm going to click Sketch, select my plane as the top plane, and change my view to the top view. I'm going to grab the rectangle tool. And this time when I select my location for the rectangle, I'm going to start at the center to anchor it. And I want to draw this out. I want to make it 0.75 by 0.5 inches. I'll use the dimension tool to select from side to side to know the length. And I want to make this 0.75 inches. I'm going to make it half an inch tall. Make this 0.5. Now if I look at the image, I see that this doesn't seem to be correct. I can double click on this dimension to change it, and I'll make it a 1/4 inch. Now that I've completed the sketch, I'll check the green check mark to confirm that I'm done and go back to my home view. Now that I'm in an isometric view, I want to extrude, and I want to extrude upward. I'll go to my extrusion tool, and I want to extrude this up about 1 inch. Now I'll select my shape. Again, this doesn't seem quite high enough, so I can click here and change this to 1.5, and it should update this for me automatically. And I'll click the green check. So I have a rectangle that is 0.75 inches long, 0.25 inches wide, and 1 inch tall. I want to create nearly the same shape, but this time a little bit smaller and only 1 inch. So I'm going to go back up, click OnShape, and then create Document. This one we'll call Short Rectangle. And click OK. I'm going to create my sketch just as I have in the past. Select the top work plane and go to the top view. Again, I'll select my rectangle tool, anchor it at the center, and then click to confirm the rectangle. I'll go to my dimension tool, and I want to make this 0.25 inches tall. So 0.25, and enter. I want to make sure that it's 0.75 inches long. So I'll type in 0.75 and enter. Now the top of my rectangle is the correct dimension. I'll confirm, go back to the isometric view. Now I need to extrude. I will select the extrude tool, the sketch that I want to extrude. And since this is the shorter rectangle, we're going to leave it at 1 inch. I'll press the green check mark to confirm. We've now completed our tall rectangle and our short rectangle.